Okay, Friday, June 17th, I'm buying some NVDA 155 puts at 471. I'm buying the puts right here. This is the 5-minute chart near the open. You can see price came up initially and took out the overnight highs. There was a bit of a little overnight action to the upside. We took out those stops, and now we're kind of pausing here, and I'm looking for it to continue lower. If we look at the daily chart, what this is I'm looking for the 2-up failure to take place. So what happens is we took out the high of yesterday's bar, and now as long as we can come to the midway point of that bar, then we should reach the low of that bar, which is, the 154.01 area. On the weekly chart, we've made new lows, so there's a lot of room, to head lower here towards, it's much lower into the 130 at somewhere in the 140. I'd have to look closely, but we're making new lows here, so this is kind of a continuation lower to end the week. And we'll just have to see. There's, you can see here we took out the stops, came down a little bit. Now we're sort of starting to rally again. I still think we're just going to pause up here, and eventually this is again kind of taking out those highs of yesterday, the overnight highs, and then being ready to start a little lower in the overall downtrend here. So we'll see what happens at the open. If we get some kind of a big push up on the 15-minute bar, I'll exit, and then up here at a small loss, and then maybe look to re-enter again on some kind of 15-bar failure. But for now, I'm going to say that was kind of taking out the highs, and we'll start lower as the morning goes on here, and then take out the lows of yesterday to start and see where we go from there. Again, I think it's a type of thing where people don't really want to be long stocks over. It's a 3-day weekend, so I'm not expecting any up movement in the market today, and we'll just have to see. I want that opening. Again, the 15-minute bar, here's the second one forming. At this point, either a big 2-down bar or maybe an inside bar here, and then a 2 down. That'll be the confirmation that we're heading lower. So we'll see what happens.